Williams. Hi, my name is Rafael, and I would like to share my approach to building products that the people love and recommend. First of all, I start by deeply understanding the user, including who they are, their pain points, and their aspirations. I normally use interviews, surveys, and data insights to ensure that we are solving the daily problems that matters. Secondly, I focus on simplicity and delight. A product that should feel intuitive and enjoyable, with small moments of delight that surprise the users and keep them coming back to our products. When tackling scalable, the cross-border solutions, I emphasize on the principle of adaptability. This means that designing with flexibility to accommodate cultural and nuisance, languages and regulations, and diverse users' behaviors. So I believe in starting with a strong core experience and iterating it with feedback from group or users groups to localize this kind of products effectively. Lastly, I prioritize building a community around the product by integrating shareability and leveraging word of mouth. Two features like referrals and co-creation opportunities also help me a lot. With these principles, I am able to create a product that not only solve problems but also foster trust and a genuine love from users worldwide. So thank you very much.